Hello, and welcome. And on this wonderful Spooktober day, I'm going to be doing an entire video in my famous Carl Wheezer impression. What's the matter, Jimmy-kun? Could it be that you are craving my croissants?
Alright, you wanna just...
Alright. Let's I have a story to tell you. A tale of woe.
A
that
terrifying
happens
story.
in this very neighborhood.
Yes.
You see, what happened? There were a few kids, not too far from your age, Sonny. And what happened was, well, you see, they thought they could handle the croissants.
Yeah.
But they couldn't. They couldn't handle the croissants. I told them, I begged them not to go into the bakery. I was like, no, the croissants are too much. Don't do it. But they went anyway.
And the baker was this old man, and he was crazy. He used to, grind up bones of
Grind them up.
old dogs.
Just grind them right up.
Disgusting.
It was not very cool.
And this time, he wanted a certain newer pastry that he hasn't tried before. So you know what? He grabbed those kids and he brought them in.
And he said to them, well, kids, I bet you would like to eat, wouldn't you? And the kids said, oh, yes, of course we would, sir. But first, can we show you this picture of a frog we drew? Collectively, all of us, we drew a frog and we think you'll like it.
So, they showed him the frog. And then suddenly, General Grievous jumped in.
Ah!
And one of the kids turned out to be Ewan McGregor and was like, hello there. And then General Grievous was like, General Kenobi.
And then they had an epic duel. And what happened was it was all like, pow, 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 frog.
But instead of lightsabers, they used baguettes.
So it was more like,
Take my baguette. Let me shove it in your face. Eat, eat, eat!
And after this duel, this fateful duel was over, they found that Grievous had a drop. He dropped this very drive that I hold in my hands right now. And legend has it that it has the Shrek 5 trailer. And whoever plays the Shrek 5 trailer and unleashes this for all the world will be forever cursed. Cursed, them and their descendants, and their descendants for generations until the very end of this world as we know it.
Now, the real question is it worth it? Is world peace worth being cursed for eternity?
Precisely. And although we don't know, it might be worth a try.